Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2, 5th of September 2020 question. Question number 15. A function f uh, maps a to b where a belongs to a comma b comma c and b belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. How many functions can be defined from a to b which are not one to one such that 2 belongs to f of a? So this is the question in the house of set as well as permutation and combination, and it's a memory based question. So at first let's our first option, here is a set that is a and here is another set that is b. So it is a and it is b and mapping is a to b here as it is given in the question. And a set contain three element 1 a b c and b contain 1 2 3 and 4. So the question gives how many function can be defined from a to b which are not one to one such that, so 2 is the fixed here. So just we map a b and c to from 2. So another option is arise here, that is if this is a set a b c, the set name is a and another set is 1 2 3 4, these are the elements and that is b. It is also maps a to b. We need many one function as well as 2, many one function as well as 2. So the question also give that 2 belongs to f of a, so element 2 always in range. So now move on to the question. So answer is 3. Here it is happened 3 one ways, 3 c one ways, and this is the element 2 always in range and 2 belongs to f of a. So that is factorial 3 divide factorial 2 into factorial 1. This could be happened how many ways? Factorial 2 ways. So here is the whole this is the whole total things happened. So here we get factorial 3c1 3c1 is equal to, we know it is 6 here, and we get 3 into 3, here we get 3 only, and this is 2. So one thing here it is only factorial 3 by factorial 2, and no sorry, it is 6 3 only 3 here. So here we get 18. Now total number of we should calculate how many functions can be defined from a to b. So the total number of function is total number of function. So the total number of function is equal to, here is one case, option 1 is one case, so we get 1, and option 2 gives how many functions is 18. So here we get whole function is 19 here. So it is our required answer. So here is the whole solution. Now some thoughts, that is what is set. So some information, what is set. Set is a set is a collection. We know a set is a collection. Collection of what things? Collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects which are, what is the property of this object? Which are distinct from each other. So what is set? A set is collection of well-defined objects which are distinct from each other. So we may write, that is, as take an example, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot. This is the collection of well-defined objects. So it form a set. Now we can define a set. How many ways? By 2 ways. And what are these names? Number one is roster form. And this is sound too many times. This is our common sound for form set. What is roster form? In this method, a set is described by listing elements. What is roster form? In this method, a set is described by listing elements separated by commas, as I write down before, and enclose them, all the numbers, enclose them by curly brackets. So let's suppose what is I telling, that in this method a set is described by listing elements separated by commas and enclose them by a curly bracket. Let's suppose a word mathematics, mathematics. Now, how many? Here is some repetition of some alphabets. That is, M is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times. So, in the set, I describe. When we describe mathematics in a set form, then I write down how many elements in this set. That is, M for only 2 M's. 1 M stand for 2 M's, and 2 A's stand 1 A is stand for 2 A's, and here is the remaining elements, that is T, H, I, C, S. This is the elements of mathematics, is the total form, and here is the set of the elements in the word mathematics. So this is the set of the letters. So now move on to the second form. Second form is this. Second form is Number 2 is set builder form. It is set builder form. Number 1 is the roster form and number 2 is the set builder form. What is set builder form? In this form, we write down a a property or rule which gives us all the elements of the set. What is this? So let's explain. Set builder form is what? In this form, we write down a property or rule which gives us all the elements of the set. Okay. So that is A is equal to second bracket X. Here is some colon and it is P first bracket X second bracket closed, where Px is what? Px stands for the property by which X belongs to A. What is Px? Is it clear, everybody? And colon, what is colon? So colon is, this stands for such that. So how we define set builder form? A is equal to second bracket X. It is called such that Px, where Px is the property by which X belongs to A and colon stand for such that. So here is the enough information for today, and we learned what is set and how many forms are there in the set. It is the two form, roster form and set builder form. One more class when we define much more elaborately and the solution of question 15 which is provided to you. So here is the whole solution and some information about set. Any question, any query about this chapter and the question, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.